What is eCommerce business? How it works, free course. Welcome to eCommerce Brain. Today, we'll discuss what eCommerce is and how it works. Sit tight as we go into the specifics you need to know to stand out in the modern world. An e-commerce website is a site that sells goods and services online. The first ever e-commerce transaction was made in 1994, but the first major online sale was in 1995. This video will explore what e-commerce is and how it works. E-commerce is the purchase and sale of goods, such as clothing, shoes, appliances, and electronics via the internet. It is a business model in which merchants sell their products online to consumers. E-commerce technologies allow for transactions to be completed online without much interaction with a salesperson or physical store environment. This has many benefits for both consumers and retailers. First of all, e-commerce began with people's ability to make purchasing decisions based on what they wanted at. E-commerce sites work by selling items to customers through an internet connection or phone line without having to go into a store. They offer convenience for both customers and sellers, as well as lower prices on some items than you would find in stores because of lower overhead costs for the company running the site. History of e-commerce. E-commerce is a type of business that involves the buying and selling of goods or services over an electronic network. The term can also refer to the buying and selling of goods or services on an electronic system such as the internet. The first documented use of the term electronic commerce was in 1968. In 1994, Kevin Driscoll's article, Electronic Commerce Takes Off, was published in PC Computing magazine, and this is generally seen as the first use of this term in a publication. How does an e-commerce business operate? E-commerce businesses operate with the intent to sell products and services online. They are typically characterized by the use of e-commerce platforms that allow companies to list their products, process transactions, and provide a customer service. E-commerce businesses have been on the rise in recent years. There are many reasons for this, but one of the most significant ones is that they have become a convenient and affordable way to buy products that are difficult to find in traditional brick-and-mortar stores. A survey by UPS concluded that more than two-thirds of U.S. consumers plan to shop online this holiday season, and the number is high for certain areas. 72% of millennials in cities like Chicago and New York intend to buy online, for example. What kinds of products can be offered on an e-commerce website? E-commerce websites are a type of online store that sells goods and services. The products sold on these websites can be physical or digital. Physical products, these are the traditional items that are sold in a store. You can find anything from clothes to food to electronics in an e-commerce website. Digital products, these are intangible goods like songs, ebooks, or video games. Digital goods can be bought and downloaded from an e-commerce website. How do you get paid as an e-commerce seller? In this video, we will talk about how you can get paid as an e-commerce seller. We will discuss the different ways that you can make money and how much money you can make. There are many ways to make money as an e-commerce seller. You may choose to sell products on your own website or on a third-party platform like Amazon or eBay. You may also choose to sell your products through consignment stores, like JCPenney or Nordstrom's. Another way to earn money is by becoming a distributor for a company, like Avon or Mary Kay. You can make a lot of money from selling products on your own website if you have a large following and enough traffic coming into your site. If you have no following and no traffic coming in, it is difficult to make any profit with this method of selling because there are so many other sellers out there competing with you for customers. It's hard to compete with all the sellers who. How can you promote your products online? There are many ways one can promote their products online. These include email marketing, social media marketing, SEO, paid advertising, and many more. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. You can also express your opinion in the comment box. This will allow you to access a variety of films on investing in e-commerce and other topics. Additionally, recommendations for videos on other subjects are welcome.